buddy? Who took a good nap? Did Knox? That's your pillow? Did you sleep good? Uh-huh. Is that Tucker? Oh. Are you starving?
Huh?
Huh? Are you starving, Marvin? Long naps are happy for the bubs, huh? Are you starving? Do you need something to eat? Uh-huh. Are you ready to get out? Ready? Okay. Do we turn the light off? Ready? Ready? Hooray. Are you ready to get out? Oh, is that your blankie? Okay, say ready. Let's get out. Say out. Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. 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 Whoa, whoa, whoa.